Hey, thanks for learning with me. Welcome back to the web hosting course. I'm your instructor, Jeremiah. In the last part of the series, we went over what web hosting is, what Linux is and how it powers more than 90% of the internet, and how shared web hosting works. In this part of the series, we're going over CPanel, storage, and bandwidth, three very important things you need to know about web hosting. Now, it's important to note that CPanel, in and of itself, is not web hosting. CPanel is software that integrates with your shared web hosting account that allows you to easily manage website files, databases, WordPress installation, email, and so much more. This is CPanel. At first, it may be a lot to take in, but if we go over things one by one, you'll see that it's actually quite simple. If you look over here to the left, you'll see that CPanel allows me to easily manage files, FTP accounts, images, directory privacy, MySQL databases, MySQL users, PHPMyAdmin, add-on domains, subdomains, DNS records, email accounts, mailing lists, site metrics, and site security, among so many other helpful features. CPanel takes away the need for advanced technical skills in the Linux terminal or SSH. Now, if you're wondering how to get a CPanel web hosting account, I would suggest that you go to webhostingsquared.com. Web Hosting Squared helps you publish your website to the internet, and it's the shared web hosting service provider that I personally use for my projects. If you take a look here, you'll see that Web Hosting Squared offers a free.com with your website packages billed annually. They have pretty good reviews, and they're also allowing you to get started for less than $5 per month. Web Hosting Squared allows you to host up to 2 websites. They provide a free.com, a free SSL certificate, WordPress installation software, about 1 gigabyte of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, 5 databases, and 5 email addresses, which is more than what you need to get started. Storage is the total combined file size being used on your web hosting account. I would suggest that you only use web hosting services that offer and advertise SSD storage. This is much faster than traditional hard drives that you might find in your laptop or your mom's computer. Also, bandwidth is the total amount of data allowed to be accessed through your web hosting account. This essentially means how many people can visit your website. I would only suggest that you use web hosting services that offer and advertise unlimited bandwidth. This is very important because you don't want people to be denied access to your website should it grow in visitors and traffic. In the upcoming videos of this series, we're going to go over choosing a domain name, creating a CPanel web hosting account, and installing WordPress. I'll see you there.